Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we will see how we can process orders and bulk orders with resellers like 100, 200, 500 plus orders in just one click from resellers. You have to go to your resellers AliExpress dropshipping app from your Shopify apps, and then you see if you receive some orders. Let's first of all let us create a custom discount so we can place 50 orders right now. So here you see we have one discount created. We just creating discount value of 100%. Right? All products, click on save, and the code is spring sale. Right? So we'll be just adding more products in our cart. From here you see we're just adding to cart now. Okay, and then add to cart. This product has been added, and then you see we can also add other products. Add to cart. Now there is something wrong happened. Let us update this thing. We'll check with other products like this one. And we have to now add to cart. Okay, here you see we have just processed. We are going to process 2 products ordered. Okay, please keep in mind that resellers is basically used for order processing, orders coming from resellers AliExpress. So we'll just making it okay. Before proceeding, we should we should not forget this discount here code. Yes, you see I'm applying it now. Okay, the order is 0 now. It is asking my phone number. So here you see we have total order of 0, continue to shipping. Phase free, continue to payment. Okay, you see this is our price code. So I have to apply discount code again here like this. Okay, it's free. Now we are completing order. Okay, order is being processed. We see we have successfully done with our order, and now we will go and go. We have received one order now. You see. Okay. So in the details, when you will click on open orders, you will see the order here like this. Okay, here you see we got 2 product orders, and when you click on order here, it will ask you order via API, place the order faster, order via Chrome extension, automatically use received coupons. So here you see we're just making this video. When you will click on this one, like this is one order, let's create another order now again. And this time we are again placing another order for the products. Okay, here you see we have placed another order, but not affected. It will not be affected. We are just placing order for this another product. And when you go to checkout, you see these things like this. You have to go to checkout, and in here you can put your details like this, and then here you can put the discount code with 100% off. Once discount code is applied, you see everything is free now. Continue to shipping. Okay, here you see when there is 0 fees, it usually don't ask for any payment in Shopify. So you see our order, another order is in process. So in here, complete order. Okay, now we have processed 2 orders, and now we will fulfill the bulk orders, and we'll see how we can fulfill bulk orders via these. We received orders, 2 orders in our Shopify like this. You see, and in here you see it's unfulfilled. You can go to visas, and you can go to open orders, and then open orders, and here you see all the orders are loading. So here just click on this. Place order to AliExpress. We have selected all the orders. It doesn't matter if it's 1000 plus orders. Place order to AliExpress. All the products and all the orders you see are selected, and then when you click confirm, it will send your order directed to AliExpress from visas. Okay, order placed successfully, and you see now we'll go to our orders page here in Shopify. And awaiting payment. Once you will send the orders to AliExpress, you can simply click on make payment, and when you add the payments, you have to just in one click you see these orders will be unfulfilled, will be fulfilled after. It will be in process once you will pay for these. So it's open now. And once you pay the payment and then it's shipped, and then you will get the confirmation that your order has been fulfilled. Right? So it's unfulfilled, and this one is paid by customer, and then you can click request fulfillment. When you click on this from Shopify store, there are manual and automatic options. Like you can send fulfilling from this fulfillment service, and it will automatically fulfill. But from here you can also make it fulfill. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for next upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.